from 4 come all the other decimal numbers. If we add sequentially the digits that make 4 in the Pythagorean manner, we will understand why the Maya, for instance, declared that they only had 4 numbers. Because 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. And 10 is the perfect number, and its symbols are the cross. This links with Egyptian mythology and with the Christian ethos, as both the Pharaoh and the Christ are seen quartered. This means that the postures that they are seen in and the mythologies surrounding them are precisely designed leitmotifs and fictions which elaborate the great theme that cannot be fully explicated in a linear manner. The name of the first god of the first dynasty of Egypt is Atum, A-T-U-M. In fact, this is where we get the word Adum or Adam from. They're both progenitors, and the latter certainly originates from the former. The Hindus also had this embodied in their Atma or Atman. The Greeks, like Zosimus of Panopolis, identified the letters of Adam with the 4 elements, or 4 directions. We also get the word atom, A-T-O-M, from this, and the Semites have their Adon, or Adonai. These terms all refer to the first cause. And numerologically, the word Atum, A-T-U-M, is extremely interesting. Its letters, amazingly, are 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equaling 10. Now, Adam is numerologically 1414 in Western numerology, which also equals 10. In fact, the reason why Adam is 1414 is partly because of the human hands. Raised in front of one, they figure 1 thumb and 4 fingers. This is just the way that the ancients did things, which seems strange to us. Adam was the hands of God, the builder, the namer of the animals, etc. And this accounts for why the Egyptian pyramids were also always of 4 sides. They were living monuments to the genesis and ascent of consciousness. The most interesting fact is, though, that both these gods, Atum or Adonai or Adam, represent the 4th level of human consciousness, which is sentient and objective and endowed with reason and imagination. The numerology of the names is a confirmation of the connection with consciousness. Many other gods and heroes have imagery of 4-ness. Many names of God are of 4 letters, no less than the most important name of all, the so-called Tetragrammaton, the Yod, He, Vav, He. There is another interesting Egyptian connection. The word pyramid really derives from the Egyptian pyramid, which means division of 10 or division of number, or division of perfection. This is why it looks as if it is just that, a base of 4 and sides of 3. The pharaoh's crossed arms are also an ideogram for the division of 10. This is because 10 or Aten is man. He has literally arisen due to entelechy, a division from pleromic unity, as we have briefly explained. These early god images and the architecture of ancient monuments are encapsulations of the origin and evolution of consciousness. There are several other examples of this mathematical and geometrical premise, the division of 10. One is Moses coming out of the holy mountain in Egypt with the 10 commandments. But those commandments are on 2 tablets, 5 commandments on each, hence division of 10. And the sacred mountain is, however, not Sinai, but the pyramid, the real holy mountain in Egypt. The word Moses did not mean from the waters, but meant one who has been baptized with water, or who baptizes with water. Moses, or at least his prototype, was an initiator into the Hermetic mysteries. And there are several stelae or cylinder seals from Babylon and Abyssinia, etc., that show the king, like a pharaoh, in an enclosed precinct, sitting on a cube throne, holding the ring and the rod, that is, the circle and the staff, these being the symbols of the union of the masculine and feminine polarities and modalities, of gender and expression. They're also a sigil of the division of consciousness. But the ring and the rod, or the circle and the staff, are the sigils that we still use for the number 10. The goddess Lilith, in an early carving, is also seen with her arms symmetrically divided, while each hand grasps the same ring and rod motif. In the Celtic Gaelic periods, we see the horned forest god Herne, also called Cernunnos, sitting in a yogic asana, holding a long coiling serpent in the left hand and a circlet in the right hand. Today we are accustomed to seeing the magician or conjurer holding a wand and a ring, often shown with a top hat, pulling live animals and all sorts of paraphernalia from it. The hat is the ring, which is the ovum, the inexhaustible womb of the universe that teems with life. The modern computer language happens to operate using the same symbols, the ring and the rod.